We want to prove that if A, B, and C are sets and A union C is contained in B union C, then A not in C is contained in B. So let's assume that A union C is contained in B union C. So let X be an element of A not in C. So this is our set difference. Since X is in A and not in C, we have X is an element of A and X is not an element of C. Since X is in A, it's also going to be in the union of A and C. Because A union C is contained in B union C, then X also has to be in B union C. And since X is in the union of B and C, it's either going to be in B or in C. But we already know that X is not in C from over here. Therefore, it must be that X is in B. Thus, every element of everything in A and not in C is in B. So everything in A not in C is contained in B. And that completes the proof.